today we're going to be checking out a couple spots out here in Utah. Now this is something that's been on my list for a really long time. I'm going to drive up a little closer, send the drone up in the air and see what happens. So let's do that. Got some clouds rolling in, hoping to catch a beautiful sunset out here. So I'll catch you guys over at the next location. I just finished flying my drone up there. The clouds have started rolling in last minute. We were able to get a beautiful sunset. All the colors are just starting to happen now.
My mother told me, don't sit here waiting for a sign. Thinking maybe this time I put it all on the line. But I heard from others that you chase out lovers on the run. That's not a problem, 'cause I proved to you that I'm the one. Words can say, yeah, baby, need you everywhere. There is nothing I can do. Take this love, draw it back to you. This love of mine, this love of mine. Come sing with me now.
Started to get really windy. As you can see, the wind started really picking up. So we're gonna head back toward the car now, and tomorrow we're gonna head back to St. George. So this pretty much ends our video. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.